Hello, I'm James Leichter, president of Aptora. In this video, we are going to talk about a feature called book settings, specifically book price levels. I am in the flat rate books page where I can see my flat rate books. You might have noticed in your book there is something called price levels or book price levels. That's what we are going to talk about today. I'm going to highlight or check the box. It's the same thing, that book. I'll go down to the bottom of the page. Now book settings is already selected. I will click go. That takes me into the book settings for that particular book. However, at the top, I have the ability to select a different book if I want to. And it would have been the same as if I had come from that book or had that book highlighted. The price columns are right here. This is how you create alternative prices for your flat rate tasks. If you used to use our Flat Rate Plus desktop program, you might remember the printed book had up to 6 columns. People loved it. 6 columns could be used. You might use those columns for preferred pricing, overtime, regular. You could have regular additional, overtime additional, and preferred additional. The calculation on those columns is made using this feature. This feature allows you to add or subtract the final price of a task and give that math a name. It might be easier just to show it to you. Here you can see I have regular add. That's short for additional. I'll click edit. I gave it a name such as regular, overtime, preferred being service agreement pricing. You enter a multiplier. It could be 1, 1.5, 5.0, 0.75 to take 25% off. If you wish to add a dispatch fee, we just universally call that a dispatch fee. That could be a diagnostic fee, travel fee, extra fee. You can do that here. And then finally, the display order. If sorting alphabetically, ascending, descending doesn't work for you, you can change the display order by giving it a number. Number 1 means that it would be first. Number 2, second. Number 5, it would be fifth unless there was no 3 or 4. You can have as many of these as you want. Once you are done, click update. You can add a new one by clicking the add new price level here, and that would allow you to create one from scratch. As I said, we can type in something like 0.75. We can add a dispatching fee of $90.99, and the order can be whatever you decide. Click update. Now, I don't want to keep that, so it's a good time to show you how to delete one. Just simply hit delete, and you're asked, are you sure? And yes, I'm sure, and that's it. Now, again, how do these work? What do they do? Let's go back to our flat rate price books, and you can see right here, regular times 1, regular additional, meaning another task, a secondary task, is 0.9. Regular 1 means that whatever that task cost at a retail level, let's say that's $500, then it will be multiplied by 1. Of course, that results in $500. That's the standard normal price. If you make that a secondary task and you want to give a 10% discount, the multiplier of 0.9 would do that. It would take 10% off the price of that task, and that would give you $450 as a retail price. By the same token, if you wanted to charge more for overtime, then you could have 1.5 for OT, and that $500 task would become $750. Those prices show up in various places in the software. Let's select a book to take a look at. I'll go with HVAC service and maintenance. I'm going to click this purple button. When you hover over it, notice it says presentation. Now we're in presentation mode. Here we can see the price columns, regular add, overtime. Those appear exactly the way we set them up in the prior page. So that is how that feature works. I hope you found this useful. Please check out the other book setting videos that cover sales tax and the service agreement savings, math, and label. Thank you.